Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to change your country of residence of Revolut on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open your Revolut app, and once you're in, you will of course log into your existing account. And then you will tap profile icon and select settings and then click personal details. Tap country of residence and then select the new country from the list. Then you will provide proof of residence, which is either utility bill, bank statement, or whatsoever, if prompted. Then you will tap submit and then your account will update to the new country. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.